What's up, creators? Today we are breaking down Higgsfield AI versus OpenArt, how they compare in features, pricing, pros and cons, and which one might be best for your workflows in 2026. What they are. Higgsfield AI is a generative AI platform focused on cinematic video and image creation with advanced controls like camera presets and lip sync. OpenArt is an AI art generation platform that is strong with image generation, editing tools, and custom models. Features. Higgsfield AI multi-model support for video and images, includes models for cinematic storytelling, motion control, and character creation. Strong tools for video generation, especially short clips geared towards social media. Advanced features like lip sync, storyboards workflows, and sketched cinema. OpenArt wide variety of AI image models, including Stable Diffusion and others with ControlNet and in painting, ability to train custom models, generate images in bulk, and use advanced editing features, more focused on image creative workflows than video. Pricing. Higgsfield AI free tier with limited credits and watermarks. Paid plans start around $9 per month for basic credits, up to higher tiers with lots of credits and premium models. Credits can be used for images and videos. Video can use credits quickly depending on length and quality. OpenArt free trial credits with basic models. Paid tiers range from around $7 to around $28 per month annually, offering thousands of credits and simultaneous generations. Credits roll over for 90 days and can be used flexibly for image training and generation. Pros and cons. Let's start with the pros of Higgsfield. Great for short social media ready video generation, advanced cinematic controls, and multi-model flexibility. Higgsfield cons. Credit system can burn fast, especially for video, and mixed user reviews with support issues reported. OpenArt pros. Transparent pricing and flexible credit system. Strong for image generation, editing, and custom models. OpenArt cons. Not as powerful if your focus is cinematic video creation, which is best in 2026. Choose Higgsfield AI if you want advanced video workflows and creative cinematic control, great for social clips. Choose OpenArt if you need flexible, cost-effective image generation with strong editing tools and custom models training. Both have free versions to test, so your best bet is to try both depending on whether you lean more toward video or image creation. And that was all for our today's comparison. If it was useful to you all, please consider like, subscribe, and turn on this bell icon to get all the new news about the AI field. And tell me down below in the comments, which one did you choose and which one did you use before and how was your experience? And that is it for today's comparison, and see you in a new one.